on Manjaro. I'm having shakes, so the kind of meal replacement shakes most days. I just find that not like super hungry lunchtime, so I have these shakes with everything, all the vitamins and everything that I need in them, and yeah, that pretty much keeps me going until the evening. So that's been working really well. I've either been mixing powder, like the replacement meal, with some milk or water, or just getting a prepared one, which has been working really well for me.